let's hear what the Bible has to say about Jesus. Number one, the Bible calls Jesus the Word. John chapter 1 and verse 1. In Romans chapter 1 from verse 3 and 4, the Bible calls Jesus the Son of God. Hebrews chapter 12 and verse 2, the Bible calls Jesus the author and the finisher of our faith. First John chapter 4 and verse 14, the Bible calls him the Savior of the world. First Timothy chapter 2 from verse 4 and 5. First Timothy chapter 2 from verse 4 and 5, the Bible calls him the mediator between God and man. In Acts chapter 2 and verse 36, Peter was preaching on the day of Pentecost, and he called Jesus Lord and Christ. Acts 2 and verse 36. So the Bible defines Jesus and introduces him by all these names and these dimensions.